So to add in tailwind to your project, all you need to do is just go into your front end folder and add in this command yarn astro add tailwind, right? And then yarn dev. So I do have just a simple configuration. Just make sure to add this over here. In astroconfig.mjs. Make sure to add tailwind. All right. And right now I'm going to show you an example. So if you go into categories, you're going to find out that the buttons are done in Tailwind and or the articles are done in Tailwind as well. So if you go into this article page over here, it is styled with Tailwind. And we're going to style it more in the next videos. So see you guys for now. This is how to add Tailwind to your Astro project. And if you want to also check out documentation, you could check out the documentation over here. You could add it with MPX, Yarn, and PNPM.